Sri B.S. Apparao Garu, founder and chairman of SRK Foundation, is a renowned educationist, industrialist and a great visionary, developed SRK group of institutions as efficient knowledge-based systems to promote value-based education to produce world-class engineers, entrepreneurs and pharmacists endowed with human values. The group of institutions imparts courses in engineering, pharmacy, MBA, MCA and polytechnic streams of education. Sri B. Sri Krishna Garu, Secretary, SRK Group of Institutions, believes in applying innovative and realistic methods of education to help students take up fulfilling careers in the new globalized scenario. Vijaya Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women, established in 2009, is being headed by the most dynamic and caring woman of excellence, Principal Dr. K. Padmalata. Under her able guidance, the institution is running on the wheels of success, bestowing cutting-edge research guidance to faculty and students. She vests her interests in making the students enjoy a complete college experience. The institution is committed to empower young women to cater to the needs of the society in healthcare sector and to uplift their socio-economic status by providing quality education. The institution is permitted by Government of Andhra Pradesh, AICTE New Delhi, approved by Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi, affiliated to JNTU Kakinada and is certified by ISO 9001-2008. Our college offers courses in B.Pharmacy with 100 seats, PharmD with 30 seats and M.Pharmacy in Pharmacology with 15 seats, Pharmaceutics with 15 seats, Pharmaceutical Analysis and Quality Assurance with 15 seats. Faculty. Our dedicated members of faculty teach beyond the classroom, and their policy of personalized attention creates a vibrant learning atmosphere, making the students focus on academics and profession. Campus life. Our institution has a safe, functional and attractive campus with greenery all around. The big playground enables the students to participate in several outdoor games and sports which enhance their self-esteem and competitive spirit. Classrooms and laboratories. Spacious smart classrooms are specifically designed to make the learning sessions more interesting, interactive and informative. The classroom e-presentations expose them to cognitive thinking and improve their conceptual learning abilities. We try to bridge the gap between industry and academia as learning in the labs is more practical and students receive hands-on experience. Laboratories. The laboratories are equipped with the latest technical and highly advanced scientific instruments to meet the needs of today's research and development. We provide quality education for young women passionate to focus themselves to higher educational opportunities. M-Farm labs are supported with highly scientific and new equipment. Animal House is established with the approval of CPCSEA to conduct experimentations on animals. Botanical Garden. The botanical garden around is a collection of wide variety of medicinal plants, herbs and shrubs. They are labeled with their botanical names so as to enhance the interest of the students and enable them for further research in this field. Central Museum comprises of 300 collected and preserved plant, animal and human specimens of knowledge and interest. Skill development programs. At VIPW, we update the skill set of our young pharma students and address their diverse range of educational needs by arranging training programs in personality development, pharmacovigilance, soft skills and pharmaceutical management skills, pharma industry-oriented communication skills, SAS training, statistical analysis system training, campus recruitment and training, workshops and seminars. Faculty and students actively engage themselves in innovative research activities and together they present and publish papers in national and international journals. We organize flexible and helpful education programs such as workshops, seminars, industry training programs in tune with the contemporary trends in pharma industry. Guest lectures. Eminent personalities from industries and academia impart knowledge about industry, the latest technologies and discuss avenues for higher studies which make the students academically adept and fine-tune them to become good team players and team leaders to face the corporate world. Central Library. Our library is a huge reservoir of knowledge as faculty and students can access themselves to a number of easily available, highly informative books and journals. It consists of 6,000 volumes and 1,500 titles. The library subscribes to various magazines, national and international journals, in addition to online journals through Delnet. Industrial visits. As a part of industrial visits, we have visited industries like Karnataka Antibiotics and Microlabs. Our students, accompanied by the faculty, attended the annual IPC conference where their scope of learning is enhanced as they become aware of the new trends in pharmaceutical field. Awareness programs and health camps. With a sense of social responsibility, our students participate in various government programs like Swachh Bharat, Cashless Transaction, Pulse Polio, and Fire Safety Training programs. Moments of Pride. It gives us great joy and pride to announce that our institution has been awarded the title of the Best Emerging Institution in Pharma Education by the Score More Foundation, Vijayawada for the year 2016-17. Dr. K. Padmalata, our principal, received the Woman of Excellence Award for her relentless enthusiasm and a strong will to transform the institution into a brand name for excellence. The institution received National Andhra Pradesh Education Award 2015 for excellent co-curricular activities for women students in Andhra Pradesh. Mrs. Naureen Sultana was the JNTU Kakinada Gold Medal winner for the academic year 2010-11 with an outstanding percentage of 86 in B.Pharm. Ms. Mohammad Mehrunisa won the Memento of Appreciation as the Best Student Speaker at the National Women's Parliament 2017. Campus Placements. We proudly announce that our students have been successfully placed in prestigious companies like AGS Healthcare, Cognizant, Optimus Generics, Pellets Pharma Limited, Lee Pharma Limited, Midras Pharmaceuticals, AstraZeneca, Microlabs, Therdos, and also in GVK Biosciences. Congratulations on successful campus placements. The institution is under the surveillance of CC cameras. Students can avail Wi-Fi and internet facilities in the campus for academic purposes, sports, literary and extracurricular activities. We provide students with many opportunities to engage themselves socially in activities like sports, literary activities, and performing arts. The activities channelize their energies in enhancing their physical, emotional, moral, and intellectual abilities. Our institution has obtained MOU with Government General Hospital Vijayawada for imparting clinical training for Pharma D students. International Women's Day is celebrated every year with great joy and fervor, and renowned women from various fields are invited and felicitated. On Teachers' Day, students honor the teachers as a mark of respect and tradition. Republic Day celebrations display a sense of pride and patriotism. We have organized Vanam Manam program to make the students a part of Environment Protection Drive. In the cafeteria, students breathe easy, hang out during leisure time and interact with each other, spreading cheerful vibes all around. Bus facility for the staff and students from all the four corners of Vijayawada, inclusive of the rural and suburban areas around.